Welcome back, ice aficionados. Today, we're diving into the world of convenience and coolness with the ARLIME portable countertop ice maker machine. If you've ever found yourself in dire need of ice for your beverages, whether it's for a party, a cozy night in, or simply to beat the heat, this might just be your new best friend. Join me as we explore its features, efficiency, and how it can elevate your chilling game to the next level. Let's dive right in. First impressions matter, and the ARLIME certainly doesn't disappoint in the looks department. With its sleek design and compact size, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen, office, or even your home bar setup. But don't let its small stature fool you, this mighty machine churns out ice like nobody's business. Now, let's talk about usability. One of the standout features of the ARLIME ice maker is its simplicity. With just a few easy steps, you'll have ice at your fingertips in no time. Simply plug it in, add water through one of the two convenient ways, either manually or by connecting it directly to a water source, select your preferred ice size, and voila! The machine takes care of the rest, producing a whopping 45 pounds of ice per day. That's right, you heard me correctly, 45 pounds. Now, let's talk speed. We've all been there, hosting a party, and suddenly realizing you're running low on ice. Fear not, because the ARLIME ice maker has your back. With its rapid ice-making capabilities, it can produce a batch of 24 ice cubes in just 13 minutes. That's right, within the time it takes to pick out your favorite playlist, you'll have a fresh batch of ice ready to go. Versatility is key when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the ARLIME ice maker doesn't disappoint. Whether you prefer small, medium, or large ice cubes, this machine has you covered. Simply select your desired size using the intuitive control panel, and let the ARLIME work its magic. Plus, with its self-cleaning function, maintenance is a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning routines and hello to more time enjoying your ice-cold beverages. Now, let's talk convenience. Gone are the days of struggling with bulky ice trays or constantly having to refill your ice cube trays. With the ARLIME ice maker, retrieving ice is as simple as can be. The machine conveniently stores the ice in a removable basket, making it easy to transport and serve. Plus, it comes with a handy ice scoop, ensuring that you can effortlessly scoop out the perfect amount of ice every time. So, where can you use the ARLIME ice maker? The possibilities are endless. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, enjoying a quiet night in with friends, or need a steady supply of ice for your office, this machine is up to the task. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces, while its powerful performance ensures that you'll never run out of ice when you need it most. The ARLIME portable countertop ice maker machine is a game changer for anyone who loves their beverages served ice cold. With its sleek design, rapid ice-making capabilities, and user-friendly interface, it's a must-have addition to any kitchen or entertainment area. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional ice-making methods and hello to effortless chilling with the ARLIME ice maker. Trust me, once you experience the convenience and efficiency of this machine, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the ARLIME portable countertop ice maker machine. If you're interested in learning more or getting your hands on one of these bad boys, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest in kitchen tech. Until next time, stay cool, my friends.